Readings we have heard today, a very strong and powerful message for each one of us as we now have begun the new year. It's the same old message, but told in a different way. The first reading letter of St. John has got two messages. The first is John tells us, God always listens to our prayer because of our faith and because we live the commandment of love. John could say this because he lived it in his life. But can we say that God listens to our prayers? Does he? Provided we have faith. All of us have faith. What was the second part? The commandments. Do we live the commandments, especially love of God and love of our neighbor? If we falter in this, then I doubt God listens to our prayers because these are required. Unless we live our faith fully, God cannot or will not listen to our prayers. Time and again we say, I pray for this and I pray for that, and nothing happens. We need to introspect and see, do I live the commandment of love, especially forgiveness others? The second part of the gospel, the first reading is, John tells us to discern. All of us have got a spirit, Holy Spirit. There are also other spirits among us, not just which are not visible, just always visible. And who are they? People around us who poison our minds in different ways. And therefore we are not able to make a sound judgment.